Here we have a pretty common compounding question in precalculus. It says, suppose a certain quantity of bacteria is growing continuously at a rate of 5% per hour. If there are initially 500 bacteria, how many bacteria will there be after 8 hours? So because it's growing continuously, we know we have to use A equals PE to the RT. A is the amount after time T. P is just the initial amount. R is the growth rate. So it's usually the percent in the problem. T is the time in hours for this equation. And E is just the base of the natural log, which is approximately 2.71. So for this equation, we know that P equals 500, because as this is above, P is the initial amount, and there are initially 500 bacteria. R would equal 0.05, because that's the rate in this equation, 5%. T is just 8, because it says how many will there be after 8 hours. Now all you need to do is substitute in to the A equals PERT formula. So when I sub in, I get A equals 500 times E to the 0.05 times 8. 0.05 times 8 equals 4. So it would be A equals 500 times E to the 0.4. Sorry, 0.4. Now, E to the 0.4 is approximately 1.49182. So when we put that in, we would get A equals 500 times 1.49182. And when we multiply that out, A equals 745.91, approximately. And usually in these equations, we round up or round to whichever the number's closer to. So what I would say is A equals 746. So that means after 8 hours, there's approximately 746 bacteria.